Hello everyone, I am a student undertaking Geotechnic 2 and from section 9. I and my other classmate was asked to make a video regarding to the soil condition. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Content in this video is introduction in which I will explain a few things for all of you to understand and to gain a little bit of knowledge upon geotechnic. I will also show the area of soil condition in which I live and will go through the condition of the soil. As for the conclusion at the end, I hope you guys will gather some useful information for yourself. But before we go any further, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Zainuddin. My metric number is CF 180184. I am a student from University Tun Hussein On Malaysia and a third year student in Bachelor in Civil Engineering with Honour. Okay, so you guys must be wondering about geotechnic and why it is important, right? Geotechnic is a study of geological material properties that is concerned with rocks and soil. And why is geotechnic is important? Because it is a method which allows design and construction of stable structure. Now let's move on to the area of soil condition. I live in Taman Perling, Johor Bahru, Johor. As all of you guys can see here, the legend stated that the soil condition in most of the area of Johor Bahru is in a marine and continental deposit. So what is this marine and continental deposit? It is insoluble materials which consist of primarily rocks and soil. There are also other substances including sand, clay, silt, and peat with minor gravel. Okay, now what we have here is the characteristic of the soil. Let us go through one by one. Sand and gravel are now the most extracted materials in the world, exceeding fossil fuels and biomass. Sand is the key ingredient in concrete, roads, glass, and mine reclamation project. Next, what we have here is clay. Clay have a large specific surface and it helps in release the plant nutrient. They also help to retain and stabilize the beneficial products of organic matter decomposition called humus. And last but not least, silt. Silt soil usually more fertile than other type of soil, meaning it is good for growing crops. Silt promotes water retention and air circulation. The table below shows the different properties of soil. As we can see here, the actual size of coarse or fine sand can be seen and the diameter of it is from 0.02 mm to 2.0 mm. While the diameter of silt is within the range of 0.002 mm to 0.02 mm. What can we say here is that actual size of silt and clay is too small that it cannot be seen by the bare eyes. Therefore, the diameter of clay is below than 0.002 millimeter. The conclusion here is that the soil characteristic within the area is suitable with sculpting industry as it is rich with clay soil. Other than that, there is actively aquaculture in Johor. For example, the manufacturing through shrimp pond and fish culture in the cage. A geotechnical investigation is an impact science filled with assumptions and approximation. It begins with obtaining samples at discrete locations that will either tested or inspected. Within this extensive data, geotechnical engineers can map on the surface profile that is essential for designing foundation of all types of structure. That's all. Thank you.